Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about typing jobs. If you're looking to earn money as a transcriptionist, which essentially involves listening to audio or watching videos and transcribing what's being said, you're watching the right video. But before we get started, make sure to show me some love by clicking the like button, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so, because on this channel I am dedicated to bringing you opportunities like this one you're about to watch now. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first one is Transcription Hub. This well-known transcription company is frequently on the hunt for transcriptionists to tackle their typing jobs. But here's the twist. They also hire translators. Here you have it. Because they have translation jobs in the mix, but that's not what we're talking about today. So what's awesome about Transcription Hub is that they embrace complete beginners with open arms. If you can type, you're more than welcome to apply for their typing jobs. Their doors are open to applicants from all around the world, so you can send in your application from wherever you are. According to their website, you're just 4 steps away from finding your flexible and convenient work. First, you get evaluated. When it comes to payments, Transcription Hub rates their transcribers based on their level. That's gold, silver, or bronze. On average, they pay transcriptionists 0.75 per audio minute, which translates to $45 per audio hour. However, bear in mind that rates may vary slightly. Your exact earnings depend on your performance and the number of files you work on. Transcriptionists on the platform typically receive their payments on a monthly basis through direct deposit or PayPal. The direct deposit is an advantage to Nigerians, especially if you don't have a working PayPal account. They also offer flexibility, meaning you can work from anywhere and anytime. So to apply for a job, you need to complete a transcription exam, which will be reviewed within 48 hours. If you pass, you'll be welcomed onto the platform and you can start working on transcription jobs. Keep in mind that as a new typist, your initial rates might be lower, but they'll increase as you accumulate positive reviews. So once you're ready, all you need to do is to click on register for free here. Moving on to the next company. Now, if Transcription Hub doesn't align with your goals, consider checking out Sonix.ai. Sonix is renowned for its audio and video transcription software, but it also offers a unique opportunity for transcriptionists to earn money online through its transcriptionist program. Unlike other transcription companies that provide you with typing jobs, Sonix takes a different approach. They connect transcription clients directly to you at no cost. That's right. They refer clients to you, which is a game changer. So how does it work? Sonix is an automatic transcription software, which means it generates transcripts, but they might not be 100% accurate. That's where you come in. When a client uses Sonix to transcribe their audio or video files and needs those generated transcripts polished and made highly accurate, they are referred to transcriptionists like you in the program. The clients can then message you and discuss the rate, turnaround time, and payment method. Once the terms are agreed upon, you do the work and get paid. Let's explore some of the benefits of joining Transcriptionist program. So, Sonic Transcriptionist program benefits. So, refers you new clients, but we don't take any fee. None at all. No fine print. Once you get a lead, you can charge whatever rate you want to your client and you get to keep all of it. Okay, once you're part of the program, you'll be placed on Sonic Transcriptionist page. Sonic is growing insanely fast, which means more and more clients need you for transcript cleanup. So when you secure a new client through Sonic, you have the freedom to set your own rates. You can charge them $20 per audio hour, $50, or even $100 per audio hour. It's entirely up to you. And the cool part again is Sonic doesn't take a cut. You keep all the money you earn. So if you're interested in joining the Sonic Transcriptionist program, here is what you need to do. First, create an account on their platform. Once you've done that, apply to join the program. After your application, Sonic will send you further details via email. Please note that the time it takes for them to respond isn't specified, so you need to be patient. Another cool part is that this transcription opportunity is open to people from all over the world. So regardless of where you're located, you can apply and potentially unlock a new avenue to earn money online. Hey friend, have you liked this video yet? Hey potential subscriber, have you subscribed yet? Okay, let's move on to the last company, which is transcriptionservices.com. So transcriptionservices.com is an equal opportunity employer, which means they welcome applicants from all corners of the globe. No matter where you reside, you can apply to become a transcriptionist. And yes, as a Nigerian, you can apply to this opportunity. According to the company's website, this opportunity is open to individuals all around the world. The only prerequisites are English transcription experience and confidence in the quality of your services. This essentially means they are seeking individuals who have a good grasp of transcription skills and can consistently produce high quality transcripts. So if you've never ventured into transcription before, make sure you're well prepared before hitting that apply button. Basic knowledge in transcription is a good start. They hire both part-time and full-time transcriptionists with a proven commitment to excellence. Now let's talk about money. Transcriptionservices.com claims that their pay rates are competitive. In fact, they even ask transcriptionists to specify how much they want to earn per audio hour in their application. This is quite interesting because most transcription companies have fixed rates. I can't confirm whether they actually pay what you state or if they use this information to filter applicants based on their budget. That part remains a mystery. Alright, so to apply for this job, all you need to do is to send them an email. Make sure your email includes your resume and responses to all the questions they've highlighted on the website. Let's just explore it. Part A, the subject, your name, transcriptionist application. Part B, please provide numbered responses to the following within the body of your email. Describe your English transcription experience and qualifications. Number 2, what country do you currently live in? Number 3, what time zone do you live in? Number 4, what is your level of English proficiency, native, fluent, etc.? Number 5, what is your desired rate in USD per audio hour, not working hour, per audio hour? Number 6, what else should we know about you? Part C, when you contact us, please begin the body of your email with green grass to demonstrate that you've read these instructions. Part D, please attach your resume to the email as a PDF. Now, if you do not know how to write a resume for remote jobs like this one, I have a video for you. I will leave the link in the description. Make sure you check it out. Okay? Now, it's important to note that applying for these jobs is completely free, and no one should ever ask you for money during the application process. And most importantly, please, I don't work for any of these companies and they haven't paid me to create this video. My goal is simply to make you aware of these opportunities. Whether or not you decide to apply for any of these jobs is entirely up to you. And like any company, you know, they may stop hiring once they've filled their positions. So applying sooner rather than later can improve your chances. You can find the link to the 3 websites in the description. So go ahead and explore these 3 websites and apply. I am rooting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you on Wednesday.